Welcome back everyone to the channel. Today we're gonna see how to install EmuDeck on Steam Deck. Firstly, press the Steam button on your Steam Deck. Scroll down to Power, then select Switch to Desktop mode. Alternatively, hold the Power button to bring up this menu. Your Steam Deck will now boot into KDE Plasma Desktop. Open a browser and go to emudeck.com. Click Download at the top, then select Download Installer and wait for the EmuDeck desktop file to finish downloading. Now, move the emudeck.desktop file into your desktop and double-click the file to launch it. If a prompt appears asking if you trust the file, just click Yes, and EmuDeck will begin processing the setup. When prompt, select Custom Install, then choose the directories where you want EmuDeck to store your ROMs. You can use default emulation folder or customize it. EmuDeck will automatically download and install all major emulators, configure folders for ROMs, BIOS, saves and shaders, and also optimize emulator settings for Steam Deck performance. You'll now see Steam ROM Manager, emulators and tools like EmuDeck Tool Updater on your desktop. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.